Doing some stretches and breath work is great for circulation in your nervous system. I'm going to demo to you briefly some of the techniques that I like to do. I'm going to do them very briefly. You can hold them and do them as long as you want. I like to sit with my legs directly flat on the ground. Sit however is comfortable to you. Sometimes if you want to put a cushion or yoga block under your knees. Up and down slowly with my head to the side. Remembering to breathe gently throughout this. It's a bit tricky when I'm speaking. Backwards and forwards, rolling your shoulders, your wrists and your fingers. Breath in, breath out. So you're just putting your hand gently on the floor, the yoga mat. I like to reposition my legs again to both sides. And on our back, if it's comfortable for you, this can help stimulate for your bowel movements, the lower part of your body. Before I do that, I'm going to rotate my ankles, stretch my toes. So gently side to side. And breath in, breath out. When breath out, move your knee in closer to you. Breath out, knee in closer to you. I like to move slowly over to my right side. Hands flat on the ground, knees like so. If this is uncomfortable, you can put your thumb into your fingers and go like this. Cat-cow, breath in, breath out, breath in, breath out. Then gently move back into child's pose. So spreading your knees out a bit or as much as you need to. Hands stretched out. Forehead to the ground. Gentle breaths in and out. Hold as long as you want. You can also do your hands to the side or your head to the side and then move your head to the other side. Get up slowly. As slow as you need to go so you don't get a head rush. And bring your heads up. Hands to the air. Breath in, breath out. I like to do that 3 times. Then end hands in prayer. If you wish, you can end with some gratitude and some breaths or intentions.